So hello guys, it's me once again, Jan Christopher Padrid, and welcome back again to my YouTube channel, Tender GC. So in today's video, I'm gonna share with you the list of accredited maritime training center that is operating throughout the Philippines. No, we all know that this marina or the Maritime Industry Authority is now highly demanding about the accrediting for the Maritime Training Center, particularly for seafarers, as a result of the 2010 Manila Amendments. So, according to the information I gathered, there are 95 Maritime Training Institute or MTIs that is operating throughout the Philippines, just like what I've said a while ago. So, this directory gave me an awareness in order to choose what are the best accredited Maritime Training Center. Not only the best, but is licensed or that is approved by the marina training facilities. Just in case, if you take your training in an unapproved training institutions, the Maritime Industry Authority will not acknowledge your certificate regardless of your rank on board a ship. So before you enroll in a training center, make sure that the training center you are about to enroll in is accredited by the Maritime Industry Authority and it is included in their whitelist. So your money will not be wasted. So with that, I'm gonna share with you now the 10 maritime training institutions that is accredited by the Maritime Industry Authority. So to be honest, I know only a few of them. Okay, so yeah, that's why I give you 10 marina approved training facilities. So first thing first, in our list, we have the Altitude Maritime Training Center Incorporated. So I will post it here, their promotional video and the necessary information. So the president or the CEO of the Altitude Maritime Training Center Incorporated is Captain Pedro U. Berinya Jr. So the address of the Altitude Maritime, ground floor of GMC Building, TM Calao, Mabini Street, Ermita, Manila. So we are going to watch the promotional video here. So let's check. So Altitude. Okay, 30 seconds. Marina accredited, okay. Okay, so as you watch their promotional video, so as you can see there are affordable prices for their offered courses. So you can check it out if you want to undergo the training on this Maritime Training Center that is accredited by the Maritime Industry Authority. So next, second on our list would be COMPAS or Competent Maritime Professionals and Sea Staff Training Center Incorporated. So the president here is Mr. Dakila Villanueva. So the address of this training institutions is 1913 Top Avenue Corner, Remedios Street, Malate, Manila. So they're posting their necessary information here. So I will post here also their email address and also the Facebook page. So if you want to leave message in order to inquire their offered courses, so you can leave a comment there. So just wait for the response. Okay, so let's watch their promotional video here. So I think it's very long, 7 minutes. So we'll cut it later on na lang. Okay. Debriefing room engine. Transas type specific ECDIS. So, the third on our list in accredited maritime training institution, so Far East Maritime Foundation Incorporated. So, the president here is Miss Shalito S. Farias. So, the address of this training center, 9th floor, room 904, Victoria Building, 429 United Nations Avenue, Ermita, Manila. So, this one is the best maritime training institutions for me because I undergo here the necessary training in order for my requirements for my cadetship. So their training courses, it's a very affordable price, for some seafarers. So let's watch their promotional video here. So I will post it on my side. The fourth on our list would be CTEC Maritime Training Center. So the president of this would be Captain Jesus B. Cabrera. So the address of this training institutions, 2635, second floor Manor House, Taft Avenue, Malate, Manila. So these are their necessary information. So if you have questions or inquiries, you can ask them in their Facebook page also. They have CTEC Maritime Training Center. So let's watch their promotional video here. So 32 seconds. What's this? They're also focusing on the actual, what they learn theoretically, so they will apply in a practical way. So the PIP Maritime Accredited Training Center throughout the Philippines is NOTIP, or Nautical Options Training Institute of the Philippines Incorporated. So the president of this is Mr. Artemio H. Balag. So the address, Mezzanine Floor, Manufacturers Building Incorporated, Plaza Santa Cruz, Manila. So I posted here also their information. Okay, so let's watch their simple video here. So NOTIP. So 1 minute. Launching of lifeboat, practicum site, first aid, survival techniques. Simple promotional video, but it's encouraging to those who watch this video, particularly those who are first time to undergo their basic training. Our sixth on the list would be EXAC, or Excellence and Competency Training Center Incorporated. So I will post here na lang po their necessary information or the details. Now the president of this would be Chief Engineer Ferdinand G. Marcos, Doctorate. So the address of this training center, EXAC. So EXAC Building, 891 Galicia Street, corner Espana, Sampaloc, Manila. Okay, their email address is here. Fax number, their website, practical site, Barangay Camba, Arayat, Pampanga, and San Diego Beach Resort, Lian, Batangas. Okay. So our seventh in list would be Renaissance. So Renaissance Training Center, Port Area Branch. So Executive Vice President Miss January B. Magno. The address of these training institutions: 2nd floor Citadel Building and 6th floor Delgado Building, Bonifacio Drive, Port Area, Manila. So the practicum site or the practical site of this Renaissance Training Center is on Bagong Pook, Kalibuyo, Tanza, Cavite. So if you want to enroll their courses that is offered by this training center, so you can search Renaissance Training Center on your Facebook, in the Facebook search bar. Okay. So our 8th on the list would be, I think some of you are familiar with this training center, or the SIMS. So Southern Institute of Maritime Studies, Manila. So the president of these training institutions would be Miss Norma Blasquez. Okay, and also Vice President QMR, Mr. Anesito C. Hubak Jr. Address: 2nd floor, The Grand Place, 1424 MH Del Pilar Street, corner Santa Monica Street, Ermita, Manila. So their telephone number is posted here also. Okay, and the 9th, training center that is accredited by the Maritime Industry Authority would be the Veritas. So Veritas Maritime Training Center. So the president of this would be Captain Liberato A. Capayas. So address: 9th floor, Bemida Court Building 128, LP Libiste Street, Salcedo Village, Makati City. So last on the list, Meridian International Maritime Training Center Incorporated. So the president of this training institution would be Miss Marlene Dadohante. And the address: room 806, 8th floor, TM Calao Center Building, 667 TM Calao Avenue, Ermita, Manila. So if you have inquiries or question about their course offered, so you can ask them on their Facebook page also, Meridian International Maritime Training Center Incorporated. So their practicum site or the practical site right after your lecture and let's say the online learning. So Phoenix Petro Terminals and Industrial Park, PPIP, Phase 2, Barangay Puting Bato, West Calaca, Batangas. So you can check it out, their Facebook page, so you can see what are the prices of their training there. So that's all, guys. I hope that this video regarding for the list of maritime accredited training center of the Maritime Industry Authority would help you to select what are the training center you're about to enroll in. So beware of the unapproved training center because the Marina will not acknowledge your certificate, and yeah, just like what I've said a while ago, your money will be wasted for nothing. So keep safe and God bless.